This ain't your grandma's hard drive. QNAP TS-464 NAS with 12 TB RAID 5 muscle and savage speed. Say goodbye to storage stress with the QNAP TS-464-8G-44ST-US, a 4-bay digital beast preloaded with 4x4 TB Seagate IronWolf drives, already RAID 5D for max safety and efficiency. That's 12 TB of plug-and-play storage with the brains to match the brawn. Whether you're a Plex fiend, video hoarder, or backup obsessive, this NAS arrives like your personal data bodyguard. And get this, 3-year Seagate Rescue Plan means you're covered even if things go sideways. Zero configuration drama, just unbox it, plug it in, and start flexin'. No IT degree required. Seriously, your cat could set this up. Powered by an Intel Celeron N5105/N5095 quad-core processor, bursting to 2.9 GHz, and 8 GB of DDR4 RAM, this thing doesn't blink when juggling Plex streams, surveillance feeds, and team backups simultaneously. While lesser NAS devices choke on large file transfers, this one just yawns and pushes 5 gigabits per second with dual 2.5 gigabit Ethernet ports and port trunking. Whether you're running a home server, editing 4K video, or deploying it for small business file sharing, it's like having a digital butler hopped up on rocket fuel, smooth, fast, and never complains. Add in PCIe expandability and you've got future-proofing on lock. This isn't just storage, it's data traffic control on steroids. You've got dual M.2 PCIe Gen 3x2 NVMe SSD slots for turbocharged caching, USB 3.2 Gen 2 ports for 10 gigabits per second blazing transfers, and an HDMI 2.1 output that spits out glorious 4K at 60 Hz, stream movies, edit footage, back up your squad's entire workstation. This NAS doesn't sweat it. Whether you're importing raw drone footage or serving terabytes of media to your smart home, this box of digital dynamite delivers it all while looking fly in matte black. Tired of cloud subscriptions bleeding your wallet dry? The QNAP TS-464 gives you your own personal, private cloud, minus the monthly bills and privacy nightmares. Use my QNAP Cloud to access files globally, or use Netbox Replicator and Time Machine to automate backups from Windows and Mac. It's a one-time investment that pays for itself faster than you can say, "Where'd my files go?" Plus, the toolless hot swap drive bays and modular expandability make it a tech tinkerer's dream. Whether you're solo hustling or family file sharing, this NAS saves time like a time machine with attitude. Forget flaky drives, janky interfaces, and NAS systems that crash faster than your cousin's crypto. This QNAP is built like a tank, tested for performance, and designed to be quiet, cool, and always on. The QTS OS is feature-packed and idiot-proof, making even complex tasks feel like flipping pancakes. Users rave about its build quality, expandability, and sheer performance per dollar value. Compared to pricier NAS units with fewer features, the TS-464 doesn't just hold its ground, it wipes the floor. Whether you're a data hoarder or media mogul in training, this NAS earns its spot on your desk.